Okay, you guys, so like I said, he's having a gamer party thing, so we just got some cool little stuff for him. It's gonna be real intimate. It's only gonna be like 5 people, so we just kept it really light. He wants to make his own pizzas, the event, so that's what we gonna do. He got his little gamer balloons. They're all over the house. They keep falling, but it's all good. We rolling with the punches, and we gonna get it done. Because that's what we do, right? So I'll keep you guys in the loop on what he's doing. We got the pool in the backyard. So it's popping today. Happy birthday, Chance. So that he made one side cheese, one side pepperoni. And we're just waiting for the other one to come out the oven so we can put this one in. So he also wanted to make like some sandwiches so that you see the breads and stuff right there. We're going to make some turkey and salami sliders. And I made some 7-layer bean dip. So that's pretty much what's on the occasion. I'll show you guys the cake later. Okay, so here's our spread. We got the pizzas, the sandwich sliders with the condiments on the side, the 7-layer dip. You know the vibes with the Doritos. So it's just very simple, just like a cute lunch get together. Roasted peanuts, mandarin orange chicken. You ain't never had this, try this. You'll be hooked. Bomb. Gotta pick that up every time. Salami. Orange juice. This is also very, very good. The spinach and artichoke dip, very tasty. It gives you restaurant vibes. And their pico de gallos, bomb. If you want a different type of candy for your kids and it has better ingredients than the other candies, gummy candies, try this one. I got this. My keto girls know what this is. This is basically alternative if you don't want to use croutons for your salad, but it's really good. You can wrap it around meat and it's low carb. Basically no carbs at all. I'm absolutely loving these bulbs. Okay, so what you do is go to the app and then I'm going to turn the light on. Okay. And you can go ahead and see. So I'm going to change the color. And you do it all from your phone. Blue. This is the hack of life, okay? Especially in the middle of the night, you're changing babies. I have them in each one of my rooms. So I can just control everything from my phone. Thank me later. I don't feel the best today. I just don't. I went and took some Zicam yesterday when I knew I wasn't feeling the best. I've been taking it today also. So, echinacea, vitamin C, and, you know, stuff like that. So, that's what I've been doing. I'm sorry, you guys. I got my camera, like, up here. I need a camera mount for the car. I don't have one, but I'm going to get one. Hopefully it's not too loud. It's kind of hot, so I got the AC on. And I'm sweating a little bit, too, because of how I'm feeling. So, yeah, that's the vibe we're on today. But we're going to get ourselves back A1 because that's all we know how to do. Health and wellness, the holistic approach, and get ourselves right. Okay? And these streets bumpy. Anyway, yeah, it was a real small street. Worked out today and got myself like that because that does make me feel better. So I went ahead and did my workout, ate breakfast, ate my fruits and everything like that. And I'm just staying hydrated. But I know I'll be good in a few days. Praying for sooner than that. But yeah, I hope everybody's having a great day. I hope this week flies by quick. It's been very busy for me this week at work and everything. Okay, I wanted to talk about women and knowing our worth, right? And that goes for anybody. That goes for relationship, business, personal, friendships, whatever. It's really, really crazy about everything that I've been experiencing from my friends and just from personal experience. There's so many people who just want to get something for nothing and they want to treat you any kind of way or maybe be around you when they know that they're getting something out of it, right? Meaning opportunists. Really don't mess with you the way that you think, but yet when it's convenient, they want to be around you. They want to be like smiling and happy and because obviously they want what they want. And I just want us women to know that you're worth more than that. Like, your value is exceeding and abundantly huge. And I just want us to know that. I know sometimes we don't hear that often from other women as an uplifting way, or even males for that matter. But I just want us to know that, you are worth it. And don't let nobody make you feel any other way, because people will make you feel like that it's a privilege to talk to them, or it's no, you are the prize. And I want you guys to know that and always stay diligent on that, because the powerhouse friend or the friend who may have connections or whatever that looks like in this social media day and age, it gets really weird. I just want you guys to know, the day and age, everybody want to act like they popping. People want to act like, they just so much bigger than what they are. And, a lot of them are. I'm not going to say that, people don't have a lot going on. But, allow people to show you who they are. And I know it's cliche. People say this all the time. Oh, when people show you who they are, believe them. It's the truth. It is the truth. Okay? A person can only hide for so long. So if they reveal to you that they're a manipulative person, that they're an abuser, if they're only one-sided, if they're mean, if they're rude, if they don't show any lack of empathy for what you have going on, but yet they want to always make themselves the center of attention, please pay attention to that, honey. Because guess what? They ain't lying. They not putting on. They not doing any of that. These people really feel this way. And I feel like in order to make a friend, you got to be a friend. And a lot of these people aren't this way. So people are raised on survival. People are raised on just opportunity. People are raised on everything but love. And I was raised on love, so that was hard for me to understand. But moving forward, I am setting boundaries on so many different people, and I don't care who likes it. I don't care. It's been a lot of no's being thrown out around this way. And I know is a complete sentence, okay? And I really don't care how anyone feels about it. But that was just on my heart today to say, you are enough. You are worth it. You are more than enough. You are blessed beyond measures. And do not let no one make you feel other than that. I don't care. Like, You are the prize, and it's somebody out there that's waiting on you. You know, they're waiting on a woman or a male like you who can treat them right, do them right, and have genuine intentions. And even in friendships, it's other people who are looking for the same connections that you're looking for. Friendship, sisterhood, you know, just loyalty, being there for each other. You know, y'all may have so many things in common. Don't mistake years of being with someone or friends with someone for something that you can't let go. And our seasons, you know, some people are here for you for a lifetime. I feel like it is people that are here for you for a lifetime, but I feel a lot of people are seasonal too. And you got to know the difference. And don't be desperate. Don't be desperate for no attention. Don't be desperate for no man. Don't be desperate for none of that, honey. Because guess what? Your time is your time. And even if it ain't happening on your time, that don't mean that your man ain't out there or your woman ain't out there or whatever that may look like. Just be focused and actually just stay prayed up, you know, to have that discernment of things like that regarding you and who you may need to get rid of in your life. And don't feel bad about it, because they ain't feeling bad how they treating you. So don't feel bad about it. Be very specific on your boundaries and that you can't deal with that anymore. So I hope that helps somebody. Because that really has been on my heart. It's a lot of users out there, and don't let nobody use you, girl. Don't let nobody do it. And you more than that. Don't let nobody do anything crazy to you and make you feel no type of way. So I was having a conversation with my friend today, and you know, me and my friends, we do like either our daily check-ins or maybe weekly check-ins or whatever the case may be. But I absolutely love my friends. My sister circle friendship is so solid, and I'm so blessed to have the friends that I have. Oh my God. Oh, I'm thankful. We have like the funniest conversations, right? But today was more like a serious conversation that we were having, my friend and I. And we were talking about the attack on women and children. And you guys know what that looks like. The attack on women and children is so great with, you know, just everything. Them trying to prey on women at gas stations, at local grocery stores. They want to try to set you up, putting zip ties on your car, putting all these, you know, all these things to pretty much get you to slow down, slashing your tires, trying to everything, girl. Like, it's just been so crazy. And I know that this is real. These things are happening. And being a mother who's out all the time, usually with my kids or myself, you got to be aware of your surroundings. I was taught that at a very young age. Walk around your car when you get, you know, outside to make sure ain't nothing behind your tires. My dad taught me that. He taught me a lot of stuff that helped me be gamed up about things, right? So when I'm seeing this, it's just very disheartening that people want to attack women who are, in reality, you ain't fighting off no man. It's really hard to do. I'm not saying you can't, but I'm saying it's hard to do. So what I'm just saying, just please be aware of your surroundings and everything like that. So we got in the conversation about how, you know, what are we doing? I was like, you know, I'm making sure that I have my stuff on me, you know, and you know what stuff is. It can be considered whatever you want to make it considered, but guess what? We're protected, we're prayed up, and we're protected, but God gives you the wisdom to know to protect yourself also, right? So pepper sprays, tasers, whatever that may look like, make sure you got something on you and everything. And if it gets too late, then you may want to do it the next day, because at the end of the day, don't be trying to run these errands all day by yourself, getting gas and everything. And with the time changing, just be mindful of that. So I just wanted to say that conversation to you guys, just to be mindful of what's going on and just pay attention, basically. Just pick my son up. But yeah, just pay attention. And I tell my kids that too. Like, watch what you doing, watch who you hanging around with. You know, don't go in people's houses if y'all playing outside. And my oldest, he's very diligent on that. He's smart to know. Like, he was talking about that he was playing outside with his friends, and they had pizza and candy and stuff, and he was like, they kept offering it to him, and he was like, nah, I don't know how my mom gonna feel about that, because he knows his mom don't play, you know. And you just like, it's no offense to them, you just don't know how people live their life. And if you outside
supposed to be playing outside, but I can't find you because you in somebody's house. That's a problem. That's very scary to me. So therefore, if the parent ain't knowing that you invited their child inside their house, you're not supposed to be going. So that's just an example right there. You know, just be mindful and smart on these little things, because people are getting creative, girl. They are getting creative, especially with these dating apps. You hear about these girls getting abducted on dates and stuff. It's a lot, and it's really, really scary when it comes to that. Come about this guy right here in front of my son's school. He trying to flag down cars when we trying to leave. Like, what is you even doing? Like, why are you walking up to people's cars? That's my point. Just that simple. I'm talking about this whole situation, and this literally is happening with this. Weirdos. Like, why you feel you okay to walk up to somebody's car? Two, don't trust these white vans and everything that ain't got no windows in the back and stuff. And he was like so surprised when I explained it to him. He was like, well, what's wrong with the white van? And I told him, I said, the white van, and they don't have no windows, so who gonna know you in there? And he said, oh, like he didn't know. But you gotta teach your kids to be mindful and not just so naive. And they're small kids, so they're vulnerable and they don't know. But life is real, and it's not like how we grew up. It's very intense. You got all these type of people out there that just preying on women and children, and they not gonna stop. So therefore, you have to let them know and be realistic with them. We ain't talking about no little Mickey Mouse conversations either. We talking about conversations that they can understand from their age perspective, but being honest with them and letting them know this is what's going on. This is real life. This is what you don't do. This is what you do in this situation. And know more than you think that they know, and they can understand and comprehend more than you think. So that's one thing I wanted to share with you guys as well.